Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cool RGB warp effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. First off, grab your type tool and write your text. We're going to then transform it, make it pretty big. Then I'll go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout, and I'll make a little guide. We're going to remove the gutter. We don't need that, and I don't need as many columns, but maybe 6 and 4 could work, or 6 and 5 could work for me, and I'll remove the margin. Press OK. And now we have a little grid system that we can go by and align everything. I'll make something like this, and then right click, convert to smart object, double click on the layer, and then we're going to deselect 2 of the channels. So we're going to start with deselecting the red and green. We'll leave the blue channel selected in this case, and then we will duplicate this layer, double click on it again, and this time we're going to select the green, duplicate it again, double click on it, and this time we'll select the red. So as you can see, the result will be back to black, but actually each individual copy will have its own color. So let's keep going. Command T to transform, or Control T. You're then going to click on this little icon, which is the warp, and we're going to warp this. You can warp it as you wish. I'm just going to drag the corners all the way over to the end of my artboard corners, and I'll leave the rest as is. So you can see our colors are separating. We're going to select the middle layer and then do the same thing, but don't place it in the exact same position, just slightly different positioning. That way all our RGB color split is still going to be visible. And as you can see, we have a lot going on right now. We'll do the same thing with our last bottom layer and just repeat the same thing, the same process. And there we go. This is the basics of the effect. We can then go crazy with it, obviously. For now, I think this is enough. You can group everything together, duplicate, merge the group, Command I, and invert it, just so we have 2 different options. We can add a bunch of noise, some textures, and that's it. I hope you guys loved the tutorial. Feel free to comment if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!